Hi viewers, welcome back to HowTo channel. Are you one of the many in the lockdown due to the latest coronavirus? Today we are going to see how technology can be a savior and can help make most of the lockdown with just our phones and computers. Yes, you heard it right. No matter how many activities we do, all of us crave for human interaction, a lovely talk with the loved ones. Technology can certainly bring us closer. Wouldn't it be fun if we host a coffee or video call with friends and family? Here are a few video calling apps. Zoom can host a meeting for up to 100 participants for 40 minutes on the free basic plan. If it's just for 4 people or less, you can probably use WhatsApp video calling, Google Duo, or even FaceTime. Here is a fun idea on how to stay healthy. Make a walking competition in your terrace, in your garden, or even around your house with your friends and family. Count the steps and announce exciting prizes for the winner daily. Let the losers make dinner for the winner. There are a million apps available for counting your steps and calories, like Google Fit, Runtastic, Step Counter, etc. Let's see who burns those extra calories gained in the lockdown first. If you're lucky, this might actually happen to you. Missing out on meals at your favorite restaurants? If you're craving for your favorite food, don't worry. Try a few YouTube recipes. You can even make the exact Domino's pizza at home. Cooking can be a real stress buster, and we know a good food can lift our spirits. Hey, you know what's trending worldwide now? The Dalgona coffee. Try it out, and who knows, it might satisfy your Starbucks craving. The entire world is in lockdown right now, and all of us have the time we need. The internet educational community has really come to the rescue and are offering several online courses at slash prices, and some are free too. I'm gonna post the ones that I know of in the description, and you can post the ones in the comments that you know of. You can also learn a foreign language with apps like Duolingo and upgrade your skills. You can also play online games like Ludo King, Uno, and even PUBG to stay connected with your friends and family. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful. Please like and share the video and provide your feedback on the comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.